I would like to see your badge though, please.
That's all the information I have for
think you should show me your badge if I ask for.
It's so cold. So he's the transit service supervisor. EXU 132. He was asleep. And the car is on. You see? He's asleep. Can you see? I'm gonna go around. Body guard. The culture. He's snoring. I hope you can hear him snoring. I want his job. You just get to sleep. And today is, let's see if I can show you my phone without any. Can you see this? How do I get this? You can't see. But today is February 20th. And it's, I can't show you, but it's February 20th, 4:29 p.m. Oh man, I feel so bad. I can't see his name. Come on. When we saw him sleeping, it was so funny. And that's it. I mean, that's the job that I need. I don't need any other job. I wonder how much they make. For some reason, it's going really bad now, the lights there. Oh, he saw me.
They hired me!
Sorry?
They hired me!
No, I don't know. They're hiring him?
I think he said they're hiring me.
Oh, they're hiring. Maybe they're hiring.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Taking a nap?
Well, in between break. And
Oh, what's your break?
Updating my log.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. You're a liar.
But it keeps me close to the busy place like Rainier and Henderson. So
Yeah?
I'm not far away from
Is it busy here?
Sometimes it can be.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
You're a thief and a liar!
What do you do in your job?
What's that?
What do you do? Like, what is your scope? The scope of your job?
Like we got our radio on, and when like a bus like breaks down or stuck in an intersection, or they need help with their radio, then they call us to go out there. So that's what I'm saying. Like I'm like near the busy areas.
Yeah. And do you work for the city or for the county?
County.
Yeah. And to apply for the job, you need to have like superior, like college or bachelor's or anything like that.
No.
No?
Just GED.
Like high school, and that's enough. Awesome.
And a good driving record.
Yeah. Okay. I have all that. I think I'm gonna apply. It would be nice to work for the county.
Oh, yeah. I think it is.
Yeah. All right. What's your name?
Edgar.
Edgar.
Yes.
Okay, Edgar. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
You have a good day. Bye-bye. So I'm gonna be applying to be sleeping on my break. Do you believe it was his break? Because I don't. What do you think, Surveyor? Was that his break?
No.
No, I don't think so. And another sir, I think he was immigrant. He stopped to talk to me. I couldn't understand. I think he was saying, are they hiring? I don't know, guys. My English is not good. You come with an accent that is worse than mine, I'm not gonna understand anything.
He said bottoms up.
He was sleeping. He was taking a nap down there.
Yeah, taking a nap.
Yeah.
Down there.
Sir, have a good day. So that's it, guys. That's Record America signing off from South Seattle. See you soon.
What you doing? This is what they get paid to do, guys.
You're a liar.
Amy, come look at this. He's watching a video on his phone. You get paid to do that, right? You're a liar. You're a thief and a liar.